So your Discord is not detecting any input device or not working your microphone, then you can follow these steps. Your problem should be fixed 100%. Later on, just hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's start this. First of all, I'm just opening here my Discord. In my case, it's working fine, but might be in your it's not working. So here we are. The first thing, you can just click on the user setting and then just find here the voice and video. Just click on it. Once you here, you need to click on the input device, and here you need to find your microphone and click on it. Once you have done, just click on let's check. Now you can see it's monitoring this and it's working. Now just close it. Now in case if it's not working, just click on the Windows icon and then search for microphone. Here we go. We have here some microphone settings. So simply you need to click on the microphone privacy setting. Now here somehow might be you disable this third party, just disabling these settings. So make sure to enable this option and also this option. Now these options are must be enabled, but also allow desktop apps to access your microphone. So this is most important. In case enable this and your problem will be fixed. Still not working? But make sure your microphone is fine. If it's fine, then simply right click on this PC, go into the properties, and this time you need to go here into the device manager. Once you here, you need to scroll down your sound, video and game controller. Now uninstall all these adapters one by one and then just click on scan your hardware. Some adapters will automatically install, but later on you need to restart, so further adapters will be installed and your problem will be fixed 100%. I'm not gonna uninstall these adapters just because I'm recording right now, and in case I'm just uninstalling this, my video will be interrupted. I hope your problem should be fixed 100%. Hit the subscribe button, and if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Till then, just take yourself, my friend. Bye bye.